What's going on, my friend? Garrett here, back again with another affiliate marketing training. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a full process that you can do that's totally free and newbie friendly to start to generate affiliate commissions even on autopilot. Now, I'm logged into my Stripe account right here. You can see that yesterday I was able to generate $350. Okay, this is just one account that I actually make money into. And if I refresh real quick, you're going to be able to see that this number stays the same because this is real money that will be deposited, okay, in a few days, right, into my bank account. So again, as you follow me in this video, it doesn't matter if you're brand new, it doesn't matter if you don't have a website, it doesn't matter if you're not technical. If you follow what I share with you through this entire video, by the end of it, you can go out there and realistically start to make money.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Okay, now the very first thing is we want to go to jvzoo.com. Now I'm already logged in to my dashboard. And if you don't have an account on JVZoo, it's actually totally free. You can just go to Google, okay, type in JVZoo sign up, and you can basically register for an account. It takes just about 5 minutes. You just put your email in, a password that you create, and then you can go ahead and log in. Okay, now JVZoo, if you don't know already, it's basically an affiliate marketplace where you can find tons of different products in different niches to start to promote and earn commissions. So with this method, we're actually going to find a good product on JVZoo so we can go out there and start promoting and start to earn money. Okay, so how do we actually do that? Okay, you can just go to this tab here, affiliates, and you can go to find products. Now JVZoo has a ton of software. Okay, a lot of the products on JVZoo are going to be softwares that help business owners. Okay, that's predominantly what these type of products are. And what we want to do is we want to find a good selling product to start promoting. Now, how do we do that? Well, they have these different stats, okay? These different tabs. Now, you can see the launch date. Okay, this is when the product actually launched. So this one right here, Video Maker, is quite a bit, it's been out for a while, but it's still actually selling. You could still promote this, okay? Now, sold, okay, you can see it's sold over 48,000 products, okay? You can look at the average price, okay, and then what your commission is going to be. So for this, the average price for someone to buy is about $49, and you'd earn 50%, okay? And then the refund rate, it's important to look at this. It's, around 5% or so, okay, which is really, really good. So what we want to do is we want to find a product that has sold a lot, okay? So anywhere above 5,000 is really good. So let's say this one right here, okay? So this is sold 28,000, okay? We want to look at what the average price, okay? Because we want to promote something that, is going to pay us a decent amount. So this is 50% conversion. So we can earn around $25 per sale, okay? With this free method, this is going to work really well. And then we want to look at the refund rate. Anything below about 7% is really good because we get paid if someone actually, buys the product and keeps the product. But if they refund, then we're not going to be able to make money. So if you look at a product that has a low refund rate, chances are it's a good, solid product. And if we promote that, then we're going to be able to make, some pretty darn good money. Now, I'm already approved, so I can get my links. But let's say, this product right here, you liked this one. All you would do is click request approval, and you'll get taken to the page where you can actually request that the product creator approves you so you can start to promote this product, okay? Now, it's a good idea when you're just getting started. If you don't have a lot of sales on your JVZoo account, it can be, a little bit difficult to get approved sometimes if you just go ahead and click request approval. So I highly recommend if you're brand new to JVZoo, you haven't made a lot of sales, you write something in there, okay? So you can say something like, I have been promoting products online for a while. I am going to be using some very effective strategies to get quality clicks to your affiliate sales page. I would love the ability to promote your product so we can both make great money. Okay, something like that. That's a good, copy paste message you can send to people. And then you can just, I've read and followed any instructions, click I'm not a robot, okay, and then request approval. Now, sometimes you'll get approved automatically, okay? So this is pending though. So this, creator, the vendor, Paul Lynch and Andrew Fox, one of them, okay, or their assistant will go in. They'll kind of read your message, check it out, and then you should get approved, okay, for a lot of them. So I'll use one that I've already gotten approved, so I can just hit get links, okay? That's what it's going to look like when you're approved. And this is my affiliate link, okay? Now, if we go to this, it's going to take us to the affiliate sales page. We can actually look over this a little bit, kind of get an idea. Okay, this has to do with basically creating explainer videos, okay? So those videos that, they have like little pictures and drawings on there. This apparently gives people the ability to create it in minutes, okay? So now we have an idea of what product we're actually going to promote and how to actually, go out there and start to make sales with this, okay? So what's the very next step? Because again, once we have a good product, okay, that has very low refund rate, very good, commissions 50% or higher is really good. Now we want to start to use this free traffic method to start to get a lot of sales, okay? So what we want to do is we want to go to a site called Medium. Now, medium.com is basically a place where you can create articles totally for free within minutes that you can start to rank on Google, okay? So when someone actually types in the keyword that your article has to do with, it will show up as one of these search results, and people will click it. They'll go to our article, okay? And using the strategy I'm about to share with you in this video, they'll read the article, they'll click our affiliate link, okay? The affiliate link right here. And when they go through here and they like what they see, they'll go to buy it, okay? And we'll actually earn money. So once you go to Medium, you just want to click Get Started, and you can actually create a free account very, very quickly, okay? So once you create a free account on Medium, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, email, etc. Now, once you're inside of your account, what we want to do is click Start Writing, okay? Because this is where we're going to actually start to write our free article that will rank on Google and start to drive massive traffic over time and generate us commissions on autopilot, okay? So how do we find keywords to actually write? Because a lot of people, the problem they make when they want to do blogging or article marketing is they come in here and they just write, random title, random article, and it never actually gets any traffic. So what we want to do is we want to go to AdWords, okay? Now this is actually a Google ad account that you can create for free, okay? You can just go to here, you can type in AdWords, okay, right here, and you can just go to Google Ads, okay, ads.google.com. Once you're there, if you don't have an account, sign up for a free account, and then once we're in here, okay, you can either, run Google Ads, you can run YouTube ads, okay, all in your AdWords account, but this is a free method, so we just want to go up to Tools, Keyword Planner, okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start to research very easily, okay, we're going to start to research keywords. So you can go to Get Search Volume and Forecasts, okay, or you can go to Discover New Keywords. And what we want to do is we want to type in, okay, there's two types of articles I recommend you create with this easy, simple, beginner-friendly method, okay? The first type of keyword I highly recommend you type in there is the name of the product, okay? So you can see right here, this name of it is Explain 𝐷𝐞𝐬, okay? So if I copy that, I go back to here and I paste that in and click Get Results. Now what we're going to be able to see is how many average searches, okay, does that keyword get per month. So you can see right here, that's, okay, 100 to 1,000 searches per month, okay? Now that's not a lot of searches, okay? So what we want to do is we want to find a product really that gets, above 1,000 searches a month, okay? Because we want to really start to get traffic and sales. And, if it's getting 100 to 1,000 searches a month, that's not really enough to start getting a lot of sales, okay? So what I would do is I'd go back here, okay? And I would look up another one, okay? So let's say video robot. Okay, that's another name. I'd go here. I can go to, okay, type in a new keyword, get results. Okay, so there you go. You can see that it's 1,000, 10,000. So this qualifies. This is a good product because it's getting a lot of average monthly searches. Now, we still want to make sure, though, that it's sold, you know, like I said, over around like 5,000. Okay, but you can see right here, the refund rate, okay, is above that 7%. So really the sweet spot is, again, you want to look at a product that has sold over 5,000, okay, has a decent commission, okay, $57 price, so 50% commission, that's about 25 more or less, and then less than 7%. Okay, so let's say profit builder. Let's assume that I had gotten approved. Okay, let's just check this out because this is really the only work. Like once you find something that really qualifies, okay, so that's low, right? So again, I mean, this is going to take just a few minutes, but once you do this, again, the payoff is you're going to be able to generate tons of commissions for months. Okay, once you have a ranked article, I mean, people are going to be finding that, over 1,000 people a month could potentially click your article. So again, I would just go through, I'd find something that has, that criteria. And let's just assume for the sake of this video that Explain 𝐸 does, okay? So again, I would go here and I type it in, okay, Explain 𝐸. I'd get results. And then what I would do is I would take this keyword because it was getting good searches. I'd go back to Medium. I would type that in, okay? And then I want to add the word review, okay? Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be writing an article that's reviewing this product, okay? And when someone comes to this article and they read it, we're basically going to recommend this product, okay, in our review. And then at the end, we say, if you want to get access to this, go to this link. And then we're going to link our affiliate link, okay? So how do we actually know what this product is and how do we write a review? Well, it's actually really simple, okay? So if I go to here, I can actually type in Explain 𝐸 review, okay? And I can actually open up other people's reviews and I can do what's called curate. So I can basically take, okay, what they say, okay, right here, and I can put it into mine. Now, you don't want to just copy and paste, okay? You kind of want to reword it in your own words because, with Google, you want to do unique content. But that's basically it, okay? You can go to a few different reviews, okay? And I can just take what they're saying and then I can put it in my own words in my own review. And then towards the bottom, I say, all in all, I highly recommend Explain 𝐸. If you want to get it at the best price, click here now, okay? And then what we would do is right here, we would, okay, click this little paperclip. We would go back to, okay, we would get the link, copy our affiliate link, go back here. Okay, we would paste in our affiliate link right there, right? So now that's clickable and that goes to our affiliate sales page, okay? Now the last step is at the bottom, we want to add a affiliate link disclaimer, okay? Because with Medium, they don't really, like you blatantly linking, okay? So you have to disclaim to people that basically this is an affiliate link. We can go ahead and type in affiliate link disclaimer free template. We can just go down, open one of these links, copy and paste the template, okay, at the bottom of our article. And now that's going to be pretty good. And we can just publish, okay? And again, this will start showing up on Google, okay? And when someone goes to it and they go, they read our review, they like it, and they buy through our link, we're going to start to make money. Now, there's one other type of article I recommend you do, and this is not, just the keyword Explain 𝐸, but this is actually a more broad keyword, which will get more traffic that has to do with people looking for solutions that this product solves. So what I mean by that is if I go back here, okay, and I open this up, again, you're going to see that this product specifically has to do with creating, motion videos and things like that. So what I can do is I can go to Google AdWords, do a little bit more research, okay, and I can be like, how to create an explainer video. Okay, because anyone searching for that keyword, if they come across a software that does that, okay, that's going to be pretty good. So I can go down here. Okay, you can kind of see at the bottom. And I want to look for one that, okay, that's getting some pretty good searches. Okay, so this does not seem to. Okay, so I can just try something else. How to create a video. Or you can even do like this, best video creation software, okay, which is more of a buying keyword because people typing that in are looking to buy, okay? And again, we want to look for anything like above 1,000, okay? That doesn't really have, you can like, you know, add these other keywords to kind of see. Okay, so that one, right? Okay, so this one, video creation software. Okay, so that could be a really good keyword. So I can go back here. I could create a new Medium article. Okay, so let's say this is our new article. I could do video creation software. Okay, that's the keyword. And then I could add a little bit more text to make it more clickable. Video creation software you must use. Okay, and then in the article, I could just be like, you know, if you're looking for video creation software, I highly recommend Explain 𝐷𝐞𝐫. And then you can just, you know, write a little bit about that product. At the end, again, include your affiliate link, include the disclaimer, and then publish that. And again, you will start to get traffic for months, if not years to come with that specific keyword, okay? So I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value in this video, my friend. This method is incredibly easy. Anyone can do this to start to generate affiliate commissions. If you like this, you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button, also the subscribe button and that bell icon so you're always notified of my weekly videos. And last but not least, my friend, I want to invite you to a 20 video training course, totally free, that I created recently that will walk you through affiliate marketing step by simple step. You can just click that first link below and you'll see all the training videos I've created for free so you can start to make even more money with the affiliate marketing business model. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching and I will see you on my next video.